Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can customize your phone using the new iOS to add widgets and just customized icons to make your phone more organized and aesthetically pleasing. It took me quite a bit of time to figure out all the new features and how to set them up, so I thought I would make this video for you guys to make it easier on you and just to give you everything simple as I can put it about iOS 14. So this is my home screen, the two pages that I have on it, and if you want yours to look something similar or you have just a different aesthetic you're going for, this is a video for you to figure out how you can do that on your phone. Okay, so first, if you haven't already gotten the software update, just go into settings and then to general software update. And mine says that my software update is already up to date, but if you haven't already updated, you will just be able to do that on this page. So now that you have updated your phone, you're going to want to create some widgets to make your phone very aesthetic and just really customized to how you want it to look. Next is getting the app Widgetsmith, and if you haven't already, just go into the App Store and search it up and make sure you download it. I know there's a lot of other ones, like it says like color widgets and other ones that you can use, but I personally think Widgetsmith is the best to use. So now you're just going to open it and it will take you to it. Yours will probably be blank, but I have already worked with it quite a bit. So now I'm going to show you how I did my widgets, like the clock widget and the one with like the quote, and also this one with like the sunset time, which I think is so cute because I have it like on top of a sunset, which I just love that. Alright, so back in Widgetsmith, I'm going to create a new small widget because that was the clock that I had, but you can obviously do whatever size you would like. But for this example, I'm going to just create a new small one and then just click on it to edit it. And I'm going to go up to the clock, but you can do whatever you would like. You can do just like the time, the analog, or the digital time. I'm going to do the analog. And then just like the clock style, I like mine with the numbers on it, but you can do it with just the hands if you'd like, or indent the indexed. And for the font, I'm going to do New York because that is what I like, or you can do the rounded, whichever ones, as well as the tint color. And the background color, which I did mine as pastel pink. And you can also do a border. I didn't do a border for mine, but it does add something kind of cute, so we'll add it this time. Then you just go back from the arrow and press save, but I'm actually going to rename it so I remember which one it is because I have a lot of widgets and you'll see what I mean. So let's just call it clock pink border. So now that you have created your widget, you can go back to your home screen and you actually have to edit your home screen and click the little plus button, go all the way down to Widgetsmith, and then press the add widget button. And so now it looks like the default one, but now you have to change it to the one you want it to be, and that's why I actually renamed it. So you just press on it and see, like, here are all of the small ones I've made. So we're going to choose the clock pink border, and it should pop up anytime now. There it is. It's so cute, and it's pretty easy to use once you get the hang of using Widgetsmith. So yeah, that is how you do the clock one. Now I'm going to show you how you can do the image one, and the one with like the 655p, that's like the sunset one. It's the same way you do the clock. So if you want to do that, it's the same process. So for both of the pictures, the quote is also a picture as a sunset. Just go back to Widgetsmith. And the sunset one you can see is the medium, so we're gonna just do that one. I'll show you how to do that. And again, you just have to click on it to edit. So for this one, you actually need to scroll down to where it says custom, and it will actually give you like the photos and album. If you press that, it will actually give you like a suggestion photo, and that's actually how it was for the quote. So it was like almost like a sign that I should do that quote. So I just kept it like that for the small one. But this one, I actually went in and chose the photo that I wanted. So here are just like all my photos.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me?
Alright, so I found the photo that I want, and it will just put it on there like that. And you can just go back the same way that you did for the other widgets, press save, or you can rename it. And then go back and you add this widget the same way you did the other one. Edit home screen, press the plus button, go all the way down to Widgetsmith. And this one is the medium one. So you have to add the widget. And then this one is the medium number 6. So you just have to choose which one you want. And there you have it. There is how you do a picture for your widget. So now I'm going to show you how you can customize your app icons and the cover of it to make it look super cool and use any image you would like. So you're going to first want to find the app shortcuts. And this was actually in the previous iOS update, I believe. And you could actually do that then, but now it works really well because you have your widgets, so it just completes the look. So you're going to want to hit the plus button to create a new shortcut and the add action, and search for open app. Then you can choose which app you want, and I'm going to do Instagram, for example. And then you're going to want to click the 3 little dots up in the corner and name it. I'm going to just call it Instagram, and press add to home screen. So now you actually have to rename it again because I was naming the shortcut, but now you actually want to name the app like the label it shows on your home screen. So I'm going to call that Insta, make it look aesthetic in my opinion, I think, and choose a photo. So you can literally do any photo. I chose mine from Pinterest and from Safari, but literally anything can be an image or a picture you took yourself. So I'm gonna just do like this pink little cute thing that matches the aesthetic of my background and how I want my phone to look. And then you just press add, done, done, and there you have it. There's your app right there. So now I'm gonna show you 2 other cool features that came with iOS 14. So the first one is called backtap, and you just wanna go to Safari to enable it. I'm not sure if this works for like all phones. I have the iPhone 8, so I know it works for that and above, but I'm not sure about 7, 6, 5, 4, etc. So go to Safari, scroll all the way down to accessibility. Make sure you go to touch, and then down to backtap. I have it on, but make sure you turn it on if it's already off. And mine is set to screenshot. So when you double tap the back of your phone, it takes a screenshot, which is just so cool. And then triple tap turns the volume down. I love that. I think it's so cool and ingenious. And I honestly was surprised that it worked for my iPhone 8. I thought it would be like 10 and above, but this is just amazing and I love it. The other cool feature that is in iOS 14 is hidden pages. So pretty much you want to edit your home screen. And you know, like the 3 little dots that like show the amount of pages you have, you want to click that. And now you will see that it comes up all of the different home screen pages. And this is actually the hidden page that I have. Oop. This is the hidden page that I have, and you can see that it is not shown. So if I show it, then you can see my 3 pages. But I just love that if you want it to be on your thing, just accessible instead of just being in the app library, an actual page. This is just great, and you can choose when you want it to show up or when you want it to be hidden. Also, just a quick little thing in settings, if you go to home screen, you can just choose when you download new apps if you want it to be on your actual home screen or just in the app library. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about my home screen, about my phone, about how I set up anything, about iOS 14, just make sure you comment them below. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. And also click that like button. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Yeah.